very first usage. Come with me, we're going to eat Black Charlotte today. So I'm actually running to Target and Five Below to see if I can find like a stroller fan. Unfortunately, I did not find a stroller fan, but I made it to Charlotte just in time for the lines because this event starts at 2 and I knew that it was going to be a little crowded. So we left a little early and now we're just walking towards the event. Y'all, when I tell you that it was so hot, Babe had to go back to the car to lock the door and get the GoPro out. So we decided to stand around and take pictures. And I tell you, we were sticky just taking pictures and trying to be in the shade with it too. It just was not working. Jason's in there sweating bullets. His face, his hair was curling up from all the sweat. But we made it and we didn't have a fan. So with this event, I tried to get early admission tickets. Unfortunately, they were sold out. So I paid $10 for each ticket and we had to stand on this line. So many cool vendors from soul food to seafood to California popcorn. That was also amazing. I wanted to buy a bag, but I just didn't. I don't know why I didn't buy a bag, to be honest with you. They also have specialty burgers and fries, candles to also get me back on my shit, which was an inspiration. And then we went to the back where they had the drinks and other food vendors like drums and flat versus flats and so much more. We enjoyed this event even though it was very, very hot. Like, in the midst of all of this, while trying to get drinks and strolling around and all of this, I broke my tripod. So of course now I'm out here with just a cell phone recording videos and trying to make it happen for the vlog and for everyone to see. Because I enjoy this event. We took pictures, family pictures, lots of pictures. We took different angles. They had a beautiful backdrop to take pictures with. Of course, we didn't get to take pictures of it. I ended up ordering from the drum versus flats because I'm a flat fanatic and I was like, why not? They had margaritas and pouches and beer that you also get a free t-shirt and a glass jar. So here was my wings. When I tell y'all they was bussin', it was bussin'. Look at Pop-Up sweating in the stroller. So we did try the soul food catering food, and when I tell you the line we waited on was over an hour, but we enjoyed ourselves.